Hello everyone, in this video we would like to share how to remove the factory radio and top LCD screen in the BMW X1. In your car it might have the LCD on the top, it might have something little screen like this, genuine BMW screen, or it might just have the factory plastic storage box, nothing else. So we start with a simple tool, plastic remove tool like this, or if you have the longer and bigger one, that's even have and better. And what we do is we slide and remove the middle frame here, that including the air vent, and what you do is slide this one underneath here and pop it, and slide and pop it, and you can see it, just the clip, which actually is the metal clip at the back end. Okay, that's all clip here, and it has clip on the top and the bottom, so that's all metal clip. And just after you push it out, you can see this one pop out like this, the air vent and the panel pop out, and from here you will see the connector for the door lock and the emergency button, which just use a small plier like this to pull it out, and you can take the panel out. Okay, so this panel can be out, and you can see that's where the connector stay here, and that connector is right here. Okay, so it's easy, slide in, slide out, there's no lock contact over there. And yes, after that, just put the panel into the set place. And now look at the bottom here, you would find one screw right there. Okay, that's the one. You can see from this position is one right there, that's a hex screw. What it looks like is, it looks like this. Okay, so that's like that, been removed. Okay, so just unscrew that one on the left, and you find another one over there on the right, over there. Okay, so it's easy to unscrew it, and after that you just pop this one up. See, only two screws holding this panel, and it has one connector at the back bottom, and you actually just disconnect it from here. There's connector for this one over here. Okay, disconnect it, and this one comes straight up. Okay, so you have the whole section like this open. And now what we are doing is we removed the bottom CD plier and the air conditioner control panel. So what we do here is, at first, don't touch this panel. Okay, at first is you slide the plastic remove tool like this on the side of this section. Okay, on the side right here, and also you can push it underneath and pull it out, and this one come out. The same you do it on the right side to support it, and this piece of panel on the top of center console comes out. And it has few connector at the back end, you need to disconnect it later. Actually only one cable connector. Now slide the tool on the side of this and push it out, and this one comes out on the left, and do the same thing on the side here and push it out, and it come out on the right, and this panel comes out straight out like this easily. And it has two connector, which you actually see one here and one there. Just disconnect them by sliding them on the side. So at this moment you see another cable left over here, which is the ribbon cable connect the air conditioner control panel and the bottom plastic cable piece over here. So they come in as a pair. Carefully remove them to the other place, and then you keep going ahead. Look down here, there's one screw, second screw here. Okay, so just unscrew it, and you can remove the CD player out of the place, and just disconnect the cable at the back end and do whatever you need to do. In this case, we are upgrading the car with new 10.2-inch system on the top here with the wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, and we upgrade with the new reverse camera high resolution as well. So just keep looking in our YouTube channel, and we'll see you soon in the next video. Thank you.